Okay, so we're going to remove this this medicine cabinet. So to remove these guys, there's a couple screws in here. For me, I have one here, and same on the other side. We're going to take those off. So for this one, I need a flathead. You also are going to have to cut the caulking all around this. And then that's about it. Then just slide it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So unscrew this guy. Just about out. This is much quicker with the drill, by the way. I don't know why I'm not using my drill. Take these pieces of glass out too, the shelves. You don't want to drop them. Okay, so just cut the side with the box cutter. This is good enough. Box cutter or not, or you could even use your screwdriver if you really want. Just go all the way around it. And it's almost out. It's already coming out. So just go around it one more time. More than likely, the people who installed this were lazy contractors, so they didn't do much on this side, so probably don't have to worry about that side. Yep, there you go. And it's out. So easy. Now we just have to fill that in with something else. And that's it. That's how you remove one of those medicine cabinets.